In this lesson, we'll look at how to create and send a personalized campaign to your mailing list using the Campaign Wizard. In the Email section, click Create Campaign. Select one or several mailing lists you want to send the campaign to. For a more personalized customer experience, you can segment your audience based on the recipient's data. Check Use Segmentation and select the segmentation conditions. For example, you can send a welcome email to those who have subscribed to your newsletter recently. We considered segmentation in detail in the Collection Subscribers Data module. Select the sender's address and name. You can edit the sender's name in this step. Enter the email subject line. You can personalize the email and add emojis and customer data. To do this, click on curly brackets and select a variable from which you want to transfer values. Note, variable names must match in mailing lists and templates completely. You can also set up smart personalization and send each customer a different subject line based on their data. To do this, go to the Add Criteria tab. Select the variable and set the criterion using which the subject line will be personalized. For instance, if the value of the name variable is empty, use the Thank you for subscribing text. Otherwise, use the name Thank you for subscribing text. Click Insert to save your settings. Go to step number 2. Choosing a template. The service provides several options for choosing your campaign template. You can select the template you created earlier. Create a new template in the Drag and Drop Template Builder. Choose the pre-made template from those offered in the service. Download the template from a file, via a link, or by inserting your own HTML code. Create a new template in the HTML editor. Select the template and proceed to edit it. You can personalize the message by adding the variables from the mailing list you selected. After saving the template, you will be taken to a page where you can add an email pre-header, edit or select another template, attach a file to the email, and include an AMP version of the email. Next, configure additional campaign options. You can track your statistics on email opens and click-throughs. You can also allow adding tags to each link to track analytics in Google Analytics. Add a custom or default unsubscribe page to an email and set the language of the unsubscribe form based on the language of your target audience. Set a category to give customers who are subscribed to multiple campaigns the option to unsubscribe from one of them rather than all of them at once. Select the Add Campaign to Archive option to access the campaign even after deleting the data from your account. Before you send the campaign to your customers, check all the data you entered. If you need to make changes to any part of the email, click Change, make your edits, and return to the Preview and Send step. The wizard may suggest that you revise the template in settings to make sure that it's passing through spam filters successfully. You can send a test email before you send out the finished email to clients. Click Test Email and select which address you want to send the email to. You can only send emails to addresses you have added as a sender address in the system. Note that variables for personalization are not displayed in test campaigns. You can send the email immediately or schedule it for a different date and time. To do this, select Send On and set the desired date and time. The service will automatically send your campaign according to the schedule you have specified. On a paid plan, you can use a dynamic mailing list that includes contacts who are added to the mailing list until the campaign is sent. You can resend the email to subscribers who didn't open it the first time. Select the Resend Your Campaign to Users Who Didn't Open It option, specify the new email subject of your choice, and set the sending time. When you're ready, click Schedule or Start to send the campaign.